The versatile and innovative 2016 Volkswagen Golf is a modern hatchback ready to excite the senses. From its upscale interior to its German design and engineering, the two-door or four-door Golf surrounds you with quality and amenities not typically expected in a hatchback. With a standard 170 horsepower turbocharged 1.8L engine, the Golf provides better performance and efficiency than ever before. Inside, a 5-inch or 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with proximity sensor allows you to operate the sound system. Available satellite navigation allows you to know where you are at and how to get where you want to be. The 400-watt Fender Premium audio system with 8 speakers plus subwoofer is also available to enhance the soundtrack to the trip. An available panorama tilt-in slide sunroof is big enough to allow every passenger a view of the sky. Available lighting features include 5 xenon headlights with adaptive front light system turn up to 13 degrees around corners before you can ensure you that nighttime driving will be a breeze. The high beams are also able to automatically dim for oncoming traffic, so you have less to worry about when driving the night roads. When you have a lot to carry, the variable cargo load floor allows you to increase the size of cabin by lowering the trunk floor by 3.5 inches. Laser seam welding gives the Golf a solid feel, while a host of advanced safety features help ensure the Golf provides safety to all its occupants. Safety features include adaptive airbags, intelligent crash response system, automatic post-collision braking,